Hello, I'm Nikki from Howard's in Yeovil. I'd like to introduce you to this Citroen C1. This car has recently been taken as part exchange and comes in lovely condition. You get a DAB digital radio with USB connections for MP3 devices, Bluetooth connectivity for your mobile phone, mirror screen which allows you to link your smartphone to the screen in the car. You've also got cruise control with a speed limiter. Let's take a quick look around the car. Thank you for watching this video. All of our vehicles come with a multi-point check as well as a full service history. Here at Howard's, we are happy to tailor your experience depending on your current requirements, whether that be a virtual appointment, using our Howard's Click and Collect service or our Howard's Home Delivery, or if you would prefer a traditional appointment where we do have all of our social distancing measures in place. We look forward to hearing from you shortly. Thank you very much and have a lovely day.